slap you silly.
You better not be messing with the king.
Boy, what you tripping, G? I got king in my name.
You can't be a king if you a simp.
The simp?
Yeah, you've literally died twice from simping for the same blonde chick.
Well, at least I ain't shaped like a triangle.
Triangle? What do you mean a triangle? I'm not sure that... You may have a point.
You got tiny arms.
Well, you have a tiny brain.
You got something going on your back.
You really want to go a little more?
Come on, let's do it.
What the... Where'd you get that?
I have no idea. But you're screwed now, G.
You were saying? Huh? Not the monkey flip.
Give it up, triangle. You're going down.
Good idea.
No.
Huh?
It's over, G. I have the high grade.
Boy, you be underestimating my power.
Don't try it.
I'm stuck. Success!
I won? Yes! In your face, you spiky Dorito! Man, that hurts my chest. What's up, G? Is that all you got, fool?
Huh? Is that a robot version of me? Dang, I look fat. Truce?
Fine. Cover me. Huh?
Did you just punch a metal robot?
You know, one of you is annoying enough.
You know, there's a reason there's no mecha-cow.
Oh!
Again, he's made out of metal.
Can you just shut up? Huh? Nice.
Yeah, you too. You're still a simp, though.
Huh?
Foot creep, walking with that heater. Look around, stay low,